Everybody, this is Zombie Slayer now for a 1-1 here again. This time I'm going to do a review on my BCB, or BOB, oh yeah, bag. First off, I have a machete. Because today I might be going on a camping trip with a couple of my friends. Be my main weapon for chopping down bushes and vines. My K-bar I'm going to have for chopping wood. I like it because I chop the logs with it pretty good, probably about 6 inches in diameter, straight down the middle. Sharpened it earlier today. And here's my buyout bag here. Start off up here. I had this hooked to my belt. Now, piece of junk. It's not funny. Now I have some drink mix I just threw in there. A large garbage bag I might use for a poncho if it rains or snows.
Multi-purpose.
Yeah. 2 large baggies, Ziploc bags. 20-foot of snare rope. Just some basic fire starting tinder right here. Bag with a pen and some tin foil for water, boiling water. Brass knuckles. Just an extra baggie. A magnesium fire starter. A multi-tool. Another bag with my mirror for signaling. My razor blade for sharpening spears. My other knife. My bigger multi-tool. Some iodine. Some more of those fire starters. It all fits in there. Now to the bag. Radios. Bag for water purposes. Another one. Probably for tinder. MRE stuff I threw together. Some more of the OD green food pouches in the other video.
That's weird.
Candles. Other MRE stuff done together.
Stop throwing things.
My shovel. More MRE things. All these high energy brake mixes.
If you haven't seen or don't know what an MRE is, we have reviews on it. Go to our channel, you can see all of our reviews, but we have a review on the MRE. You should definitely check it out.
My first aid pouch. I'll open that up in a little bit. 1 liter canteen. Crowbar. Or a pry bar. A lot of snare rope. A water bottle with ace bandages. 24 ounce. Walmart stuff. Fire tinder in there. My other water bottle. I can boil water in that from a creek. My bladder I took out of my camel pack. It's not fully open, so. You hang that from a tree and drink from it. This is like basically an emergency shelter. If I need it, if it starts raining, I don't want to get wet, I can just set this up on it. Throw this over some logs and just get underneath it and stay dry. Hammer. That basically is my bug out bag. I'll do more reviews on another bag, my other bug out bag. I got plenty of them. Post comments, share your other videos, and subscribe please, and see ya.